Good day everyone, we are the group 7 and in today's video, we are going to show you how to make an electroscope. But before that, let me tell you first what is an electroscope and its functions. Electroscope was invented by the British physician William Gilbert around 1600. The electroscope is one of the most important instruments used by the scientists for the past many years to study electricity. For centuries, it has been defined as a device made up of conducting materials and used for detecting and testing the presence of ionizing radiation or electric charge on the body. Electroscopes detect the charge by the test object's movements due to Coulomb's electrostatic force on it. And the amount of charge on that object is directly proportional to the voltage. In the cases where the electric charge of the object is equivalent to the capacitance, electroscopes are regarded as a crude voltmeter. So here are some functions of an electroscope. It detects the presence of ionizing radiation or electric charge on a body. The next one is it identifies and compares the magnitude of the charges. It also calculates the force between the two charges. And the last one is that it detects the nature and relative amount of charge. Mr. Lahot will be demonstrating the procedure on how to make an electroscope.
The procedure in making this electroscope. First, get a copper wire and create a spiral one of the end of the wire to make a larger surface area. Second, get a plastic lid from a plastic container and measure it to the same size as the jar opening. Third, cut the plastic lid same size as the jar opening. Fourth, make a hole at the center of the plastic lid using a soldering iron. Fifth, create a small plastic tube from a ball pen. Six, shove the plastic tube and apply hot glue to make it solid with the lid. Seven, make 2 pieces of aluminum foil and cut into small round shape. Eight, put a hole in one end of each foil. To assemble the electroscope, take the copper wire and slide it through the plastic tube and make a little hook at the bottom end of the copper wire. Put the two pieces of foil on the hook one after the other using the hole that you made on each of the pieces of foil. The two pieces of foil should now be touching together at the end of the hook. Take the plastic lid and put it on the top of the jar. Secure it with some electrical tape to make sure the lid is firmly fixed on the top of the jar.
Rub the pipe with a towel. The pipe became negatively charged. When the negatively charged pipe is brought close to the copper wire, the electrons on the wire are repelled downwards towards the aluminum foil.